This father wanted to pretend to sneeze to see what his daughter's reaction. In the face of the first time, the daughter looked at her father doubtfully, said painting, "Ah, do not sneeze." Dad nodded his head and said, "See." His daughter continued to paint. Dad decided to continue to pretend, this time the father a few times in a row to see what his daughter's reaction. In the face of the father sneeze, daughter disgusted with the tears. The father rushed to comfort his daughter and told her that, in fact, this is the spray, put the spray or give to the daughter. The little girl, happy to play on the addiction, keep spraying to their face.